Hello students and good morning. So now I'm doing class for class 11. The topic is the same topic that we were doing in the last online class, that is trigonometrical ratios of compound angles. And in the last online class we did some theory portion of these compound angles, and in that online class we proved some formulae. So I think you have revised all the formulae that we have done so far. Now we will use that formula in order to solve all these problems. So exercise 4, page number 138, 2 marks section from the book Higher Mathematics for class 11 by SN Day. So let's start our work now. So question number 1 is find the values of, you have to find out the values of some trigonometric function. That is, number 1 is given as sine of minus 75 degree. So how will you get the value of sine of minus 75 degree? Okay. So now, first of all, whatever may be the angle here, you have to take it as theta. You know that. So this is your sine of minus theta. So minus some angle, minus theta always lies in the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant, sine is always negative. So you have to write minus sine 75 degree. Is that clear? Now how can you find out the value for sine 75 degree now? So minus sign is taken outside. So you have to convert into compound angle form, that is a plus b. 75 degree is not the standard angle. You know the standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So you can write down this 75 degree as the sum of two standard angles, that is sine of a plus b form. We can write this 75 degree as 45 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, so which is equal to minus sine, so this 75 degree can be written as 45 degree plus 30 degree. Now this is the formula sine of a plus b. So now you should know the formula of sine of a plus b, right? So let us write down the formula now. So which is equal to minus, let us write within bracket because there is minus sign here, sine of a plus b. Here a is 45 and b is 30. So what is the formula? Sine a, sine 45 degree, this is cos 30 degree plus cos a sine b now. So what is cos a here? It is cos 45 degree and then sine b here is sine 30 degree. Is that understood now? So this is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. That is the formula, right? So now is equal to minus within bracket, what is sine 45? You know this is 1 by root 2. You know it from class 10. What is cos 30 degree? It is root 3 by 2 plus what is cos 45 again? You know that it is 1 by root 2 into what is sine 30 degree? It is half. So I think you have understood it. So let us simplify it. So which is equal to minus within bracket, this is root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 upon this is 2 root 2. So let us get the LCM. So what's the LCM out here? Is equal to minus within bracket, what's the LCM of 2 root 2 and 2 root 2? That is your 2 root 2. So now this LCM is divided by 2 root 2, that is 1. So 1 into root 3, you know how to simplify it, root 3 plus, next, again that LCM 2 root 2 is divided by 2 root 2, that is also 1. So 1 ones are 1. Okay, so we have got this expression. So now in this case, you can keep the answer as it is, or you may remove square root from the denominator. That means you can rationalize the denominator here. Okay, so let us rationalize the denominator in this case. Let us remove this square root from 2. That means you have to multiply both numerator as well as denominator by root 2. So which is equal to minus, let us multiply numerator by root 2. Root 3 plus 1 divided by here also it is 2 root 2 into root 2. Is that clear? That means we are rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing means we are removing square root from the denominator. Okay. So which is equal to minus, how much is it now? Root 2 into root 3, root 6, plus root 2 into 1, that is root 2, divided by root 2 into root 2, you know that is 2, 2 2s are 4. So the final answer is minus 1/4 within bracket root 6 plus root 2. So this is the answer. You may keep the answer as it is also. This is also the correct answer, that is minus within bracket root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. That is also the answer. Or you may rationalize the denominator and you may get the answer in the form minus 1/4 within bracket root 6 plus root 2. Is that clear? So I think I've understood it, so you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 3. And this question number 2 is your homework, right? Cos 15 degree. So how can you write down that 15 degree? Cos of a minus b form, that is you can write cos within bracket 45 minus 30 degree, and you can use the formula of cos of a minus b, right? So let's do this question number 3 here. So you have to find out the value of tan of minus 105 degree. So whatever may be the angle here, let us take it as theta. And you know that minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant, tan is always negative. So you have to find out the value for tan of minus 105 degree. So which is equal to minus, this is tan of, minus tan of 105 degree. So this 105 degree can be written as 90 degree plus 15 degree, isn't it? So let us write it as minus tan of within bracket 90 degree plus 15 degree. So let us convert it into least angle form. That is 90 degree plus 15 degree will give you 105 degree. So now this is, you know that tan 90 plus theta. Okay. So there is minus sign here. What is the formula for tan 90 degree plus theta? 90 plus theta lies in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, tan is always negative. This is minus. And since this is 90 into 1 odd multiple, tan changes to cot. So it is cot 15 degree. So which is equal to minus into minus plus. So this is your cot 15 degree. So 15 degree is lesser angle, isn't it? So you can easily convert it into compound angle form. So how will you write down this 15 degree? 45 minus 30, or you may write 60 minus 45 also. Okay. So let us write here cot within bracket, this is 45 degree minus 30 degree. So you know that this is cot of a minus b. So 15 degree can be written as 45 minus 30 degree, isn't it? That is, you can write it in terms of compound angle form, that is a minus b form, right? So this is cot of a minus b. So you should know the formula. What is cot of a minus b? In the last online class we did it. So cot of a minus b is equal to, this is cot a, cot b, then plus 1 divided by, if there is minus sign here, minus sign should be in the denominator. And in the denominator, what do we write? Cot b minus cot a. Here b is 30. So here cot b is cot 30 degree minus cot a is minus cot 45 degree. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So now let us put the value of this standard angle. Okay. So which is equal to, what is cot 45 degree? You know that cot 45 degree is 1. What is cot 30 degree? You know that this is root 3. Then comes plus 1 divided by, in the denominator, what is cot 30 degree? Cot 30 degree is root 3 minus, what is cot 45 degree? It is 1. Is that clear? So which is equal to 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus 1 divided by, this is root 3 minus 1. So I think you have understood it. This may be the answer. You can keep the answer as it is, or you may rationalize the denominator. You have done certs in class 10, isn't it? You know how to rationalize the denominator. Actually, what is the meaning of rationalizing the denominator? Rationalizing the denominator means removing square root from the denominator. That means you have to multiply both numerator and the denominator by root 3 plus 1, opposite sign. You have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by which expression or which number? That is root 3 plus 1. So is equal to, this is root 3 plus 1 whole square divided by, this is your root 3 minus 1 into, this is root 3 plus 1. That is, we are multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1. That is, we are multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by root 3 plus 1. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So which is equal to now, this is your a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b whole square. What is a whole square? It is root 3 whole square plus 2 into a is root 3. B is 1 plus b whole square is 1 whole square. This whole divided by, now this is your a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? You know that this is a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus, this is 1 whole square. Is that clear? So which is equal to now, what is root 3 whole square? That is your 3 plus 2 root 3 into 1 plus 2 root 3, then plus 1 whole square is 1 whole divided by, in the denominator, what is root over 3 whole square? That is 3. Root 3 whole square is root 3 into root 3, root 9, which is equal to 3. Then comes minus 1 whole square is 1. So which is equal to 3 plus 1, you can add them, 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Again you can simplify it further. So which is equal to 2 is common here. So it is 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. So here this 2 will be cancelled. So which is equal to, this is 2 plus root 3. So this is the final answer. So what is the value for tan of minus 105 degree? It is 2 plus root 3. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So that question number 2 is your homework, right? So now we'll do next problem, that is one number 4. Let us find out the value of sec within bracket minus 75 degree. So this is also in the form sec of minus theta. So you know that minus theta always lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant sec is always positive. What is sec of minus theta is equal to? It is sec theta. So you can write here, this is sec only 75 degree. So I think you have understood it, because sec of minus theta is sec theta. Because in this case, whatever may be the angle here, you can take it as theta. So you know that minus theta always lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant sec and cos are positive. So what is sec of minus theta? It is sec theta. Is that clear? So let us convert into cos. What is sec in terms of cos? It is 1 upon cos 75 degree, because we don't know the formula for sec of a plus b, isn't it? So let us convert into cos. That is, sec in terms of cos is 1 upon cos 75 degree. Okay, so which is equal to 1 upon cos, how will you write down this 75 degree? You can write it as 45 degree plus 30 degree. So I think you have understood it. Okay, that is 75 degree can be written as 45 plus 30 degree. Now which formula is used? Which formula is used? You can use cos of a plus b now. So which is equal to 1 upon, what is cos of a plus b? Cos a, cos 45 degree, cos b, cos 30 degree, minus sin a, sin 45 degree, and sin b, that is your sin 30 degree. So I think you have understood it. So these are all standard angles, 45 degree and 30 degree. So let us put the values now. So which is equal to 1 upon, so this is 1 upon, what is cos 45? 1 by root 2 into, what is cos 30 degree? It is root 3 by 2, right? Then minus, what is sin 45 degree? Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. And what's about sin 30 degree? It is half. Sin 30 degree is half. Is that understood? Now let us simplify it. So which is equal to 1 upon, now this is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Is that clear? So now let's take the LCM in the denominator. So here numerator is 1 divided by, what's the LCM in the denominator? It is 2 root 2. So what is there up in the denominator? So 2 root 2, this LCM is divided by 2 root 2, that is 1. So it is root over 3 minus 1. So after simplification, when this denominator, that is the fraction, goes up in the numerator, it becomes upside down. That is, you can write 2 root 2 divided by, this is root 3 minus 1. Is that clear? Now you can rationalize the denominator here also. That is, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 3 plus 1. So which is equal to 2 root 2 within bracket, this is root 3 plus 1 divided by, this is your root 3 minus 1 into, this is your root 3 plus 1. That is, we are multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1. That is, we are multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by root 3 plus 1. Okay. So which is equal to, this is 2 root 2 within bracket root 3 plus 1 divided by, in the denominator, what is the formula that you can use here? A minus B into A plus B. That is your A square minus B square. So it is root 3 whole square minus B whole square is 1 whole square, which is equal to 2 root 2 within bracket root 3 plus 1 divided by, what is root 3 whole square? That is your 3 minus, what is 1 whole square? That is your 1. Okay. So which is equal to 2 root 2 within bracket root 3 plus 1 divided by, what is 3 minus 1? That is 2. So cancel this 2. So now we can multiply by root 2 into root 3, root 6 plus root 2 into 1, root 2. So this is the final answer. So what is the value for sec of minus 75 degree? It is root 6 plus root 2. Okay. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do next number, that is question number 2. You have to prove that number 1, tan 75 degree minus cot 75 degree is equal to 4 sin 60 degree. You prove LHS is equal to RHS. So let us first find out the value for LHS, left hand side. So this is LHS is left hand side, which is equal to, this is tan 75 degree minus cot 75 degree. Okay. So let us use the formula now in this case, formula from compound angle. So how will you write down this 75 degree? 45 plus 30 degree, right? So for both the term you may write tan, it is 45 degree plus 30 degree minus cot, within bracket you can write 45 degree plus 30 degree. Is it clear? So one is tan of A plus B and the other one is cot of A plus B. So now what is tan of A plus B? So it is tan 45 degree plus tan B. Tan A plus tan B divided by, what is the formula? 1 minus, this is tan A tan B. This is tan A tan B. Okay, minus. So what's about this cot of a plus b? Now this is your cot of a plus b. What is the formula? Cot a cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a. What is b here? It is b is cot 30 degree. Here a is 45 and b is 30. So it is cot b, cot 30 degree plus cot a is cot 45 degree. It is cot 45 degree. Is that clear to all of you? So now let us use the value now, standard value. So what is tan 45? 1 plus what is tan 30 degree? 1 upon root 3 divided by 1 minus tan 45 is 1 into what is tan 30 degree? It is 1 by root 3. Is that clear? Next, minus sign is there. Cot 45 is 1 and what is cot 30 degree? It is root 3 minus 1 divided by what is cot 30 degree? It is root 3 plus cot 45 degree is always 1. Is that understood? Now in the numerator, what's the LCM? It is root 3 into 1. That is root 3 plus 1. In the denominator also, what's the LCM? Root 3. So root 3 into 1 is root 3. So this is minus 1. So here root 3 gets cancels. Now this is 1 into root 3 minus 1 divided by this is root 3 plus 1. So what is the first term in this case? Which is equal to root 3 plus 1 in the numerator divided by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1, right? Minus. Then you write root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Is that clear? So now let's take the LCM. So first term is, that is a fraction, root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Minus what is the second term here? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So let us take the LCM now. So what's the LCM here now? What's the LCM? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. This is the LCM. Right? So now this LCM is divided by root 3 minus 1. This LCM is divided by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 will be cancelled. You will get root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. That is your root 3 plus 1 whole square minus. Similarly, what is the second term? Again, this LCM is divided by root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 will be cancelled. You will get root 3 minus 1. And this root 3 minus 1 must be multiplied by the numerator. That is root 3 minus 1. So which is, this is root 3 minus 1 whole square. Is that understood now? So let us simplify it further. So now you know that this is your a plus b whole square. What is a whole square? Root 3 plus 1 root 3 whole square. So this is root 3 whole square. A square root 3 whole square plus twice ab. 2 into root 3 into 1 plus what is b whole square? This is 1 whole square. Is that clear? Then comes minus. So within second bracket, what is a whole square? Root 3 whole square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 plus what is b whole square? 1 whole square. So this whole divided by. So now in the denominator we have a minus b into a plus b. That is your a square minus b whole square. So it is root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. Okay. So let us simplify it further. What is root 3 whole square? 3 plus this is 2 root 3 plus 1. So let us simplify the expression within second bracket. Again multiply it by minus sign also. So it is minus 3 minus into minus plus 2 root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3 minus into plus is minus 1. This whole divided by what is root 3 whole square? That is your 3, then 1 whole square is 1. So here you can cancel, this 3 gets cancels, 1 gets cancels. So which is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3? That is your 4 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. which is equal to 2 root 3. So what is the value of the left hand side? So we have got it as 2 root 3. So what is the value of the left hand side? It is 2 root 3. Okay. So let us find out the right hand side now. So let us write here, what is right hand side? So RHS is equal to, what is RHS? It is 4 sine 60 degree. It is 4 sine 60 degree. Okay. So which is equal to 4 into, what is the value for sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree, you know that it is root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2. This is 2 2s are 4. Which is equal to 2 root over 3. That means here LHS is equal to 2 root 3. Again we are getting RHS is equal to 2 root 3. That is, we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. So let us write here LHS is equal to RHS. So it is proved. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is number 2, prove that question number 2. So this question number 2 is very, very important. Okay, so you can mark it. So this question is very, very important. So number 2 is, you have to prove that cos alpha plus cos of 120 plus alpha plus cos of 120 minus alpha is equal to 0. So for the second and the third term, you can use the formula of cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b. Okay. So let's write left hand side. So LHS is equal to cos alpha plus cos 120 degree plus alpha plus cos, this is 120 degree minus alpha. Okay. So now the first term is, you can keep it as it is, cos alpha plus, what will you do with this second term? So second term is in the form of cos of a plus b. You know that, isn't it? So 120 degree is taken as a and alpha is taken as b. So this is your cos of a plus b. So I think now you know the formula cos of a plus b, isn't it? So what is cos of a plus b? Cos a cos 120, cos b cos alpha, plus is there, so it is minus sin a sin b, that is sin 120 degree sin alpha. So I think you have understood it. That is cos of 120 is taken as a, alpha is taken as b. So this is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Similarly, what is the third term? This is also cos of a minus b, you know that. What is cos of a minus b? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So it is cos a. So it is cos 120 degree cos b cos alpha plus sin a sin b, that is sin 120 into sin alpha. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So now in the next step, what will you do? You can cancel this plus minus sign. These are same term but they are of opposite sign. You can cancel them. But you have to add these similar terms, that is cos 120 cos alpha plus cos 120 cos alpha, which is equal to, this is cos alpha plus, you can add these two terms, that is 2 cos 120 degree into cos alpha. And you know that you can get the value for cos of 120 degree because this 120 degree can be written in terms of standard angle. That is, you can write it as 120 degree can be written as 90 plus 30 degree, or you may write it as 180 minus 60 degree. Okay. So which is equal to, let us write here cos alpha plus 2 cos of, within bracket you can write it as 180 degree minus 60 degree into cos alpha. Is that understood? So I think you have understood it. 120 degree is written as 180 minus 60 degree. So you know the formula from the previous chapter of trigonometrical ratios of associated angles. What is cos 180 minus theta? It is minus cos theta. which is equal to cos alpha plus 2 into within bracket it will be minus cos 60 degree. So 180 minus 60 degree, you know that it lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is always minus, negative. So 90 into 2, 180 is 90 into 2, even multiple of 90. So cos remains same, that is cos 60 degree. And we have here cos alpha, right? So which is equal to, this is cos alpha plus and minus 2 into, what is the value for cos 60 degree? It is half. Then you can write cos alpha. So here 2 gets cancels. So which is equal to cos alpha minus cos alpha. Both of them will be cancelled, which is equal to 0. So it is proved. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we will prove number 3 of question number 2. Prove that. You have to prove that this relation LHS is equal to RHS. That is, you have to prove that question number 3, tan 35 degree plus tan 10 degree plus tan 35 degree tan 10 degree is equal to 1. You prove LHS is equal to RHS. So in this case, we don't prove it from LHS. Okay? Because in this case, you know that 35 degree plus 10 degree is 45 degrees, isn't it? 35 degree plus 10 degree is 45 degree. And you know that the value for tan 45 degree is 1. So from the value of tan 45 degree is equal to 1, from here we can easily prove this LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? So now we know that tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Okay? So, or now this 45 degree can be written as, you know that 35 plus 10 degree is 45. So here you can write down 35 degree plus 10 degree is equal to 1. Okay. Now on the left hand side you can use the formula of tan of a plus b, isn't it? What is tan of a plus b? This is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, which is equal to, on the right hand side there is 1 only, so it is 1 by 1. Okay, so now let us do cross multiplication. So now we can cross multiply them. So cross multiply by 1 here, so we get tan 35 degree plus tan 10 degree, which is equal to, so on the right hand side what do we write? Now cross multiply by 1 here, so it is 1 minus tan 35 degree into tan 10 degree. So I think I have understood it. Okay, so now we can take this minus tan 35 degree tan 10 degree to the left hand side to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so now it is tan 35 degree plus tan 10 degree. So this minus becomes plus on the left hand side, so it is plus tan 35 degree tan 10 degree, which is equal to 1. So we have proved the given result. So we proved LHS is equal to RHS. So it is proved. So I think I've understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 4. To number 4, you have to prove that this LHS is equal to RHS. That is, you have to prove tan 8 alpha minus tan 5 alpha minus tan 3 alpha is equal to tan 8 alpha, tan 5 alpha, tan 3 alpha. So you prove LHS is equal to RHS. So here also we don't prove it from the left hand side, but we know that this 8 alpha can be written as 5 alpha plus 3 alpha, isn't it? So we know that tan 8 alpha is equal to tan, this is 5 alpha plus 3 alpha, right? That is, this 8 alpha can be written as 5 alpha plus 3 alpha. You know that. That is tan of A plus B. Okay? So, or tan 8 alpha is equal to, what is tan A? Tan 5 alpha plus, what is tan B? Tan 3 alpha divided by, this is tan of A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus, this is tan A tan B. Is that clear? So I think you have understood it. Okay. So now what will you do in the next step? So below tan 8 alpha there is 1. So we can do cross multiplication now. Okay. So let's do cross multiplication. Now cross multiply by tan 8 alpha first. Tan 8 alpha into 1, tan 8 alpha minus tan 8 alpha into tan 5 alpha into tan 3 alpha, which is equal to, now on the right hand side, what do we write? So 1 is multiplied by tan 5 alpha plus tan 3 alpha, tan 5 alpha plus this is tan 3 alpha. Is that clear? So now we can exchange the terms. Okay, so we can take this tan 5 alpha plus tan 3 alpha to the left hand side, and this minus tan 8 alpha, tan 5 alpha, tan 3 alpha to the right hand side. So that we have here, that is tan 8 alpha, then tan 5 alpha on the left hand side becomes minus tan 5 alpha, and this tan 3 alpha, it becomes minus tan 3 alpha, which is equal to, now this second term is taken to the right hand side. So what does it become? It is tan 8 alpha, then tan 5 alpha, then it is tan 3 alpha. So we have proved that this LHS is equal to RHS. So tan 8 alpha minus tan 5 alpha minus tan 3 alpha is equal to tan 8 alpha, tan 5 alpha, tan 3 alpha. So it is proved. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So now we'll do the next question. So now we will prove question number 5, that is 2 number 5. We have to prove that this LHS is equal to RHS. That is, you have to prove that tan 43 degree is equal to cos 2 degree minus sin 2 degree divided by cos 2 degree plus sin 2 degree. So let us write here LHS. So LHS is equal to tan 43 degree, okay, so is equal to tan, this 43 degree can be written in terms of 2 degree by writing it as 45 degree minus 2 degree. Now you know this formula, compound angle tan of A minus B, isn't it? Here A is 45 degree and B is 2 degree. So what is tan of A minus B? It is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. Let us put the values now. What is the value for tan 45 degree? It is 1 minus tan is written in terms of sin and cos. So sin 2 degree divided by cos 2 degree divided by 1 plus your tan 45 degree is 1, and this tan 2 degree can be written as sin 2 degree divided by cos 2 degree. So now you can take the LCM and simplify it. So in both the numerator as well as in the denominator, the LCM is cos 2 degree, right? So what's the LCM in the numerator? It is cos 2 degree, and in the denominator also, what's the LCM? It is cos 2 degree. So what is there in the numerator now? Here the LCM is cos 2 degree. So cos 2 degree into 1 is cos 2 degree minus sine 2 degree. And next one is in the denominator, cos 2 degree is the LCM. Cos 2 degree into 1 is cos 2 degree. Cos 2 degree plus, and 1 into sine 2 degree is, it is sine 2 degree. So here you can cancel this LCM. So what do we get? It is cos 2 degree minus sine 2 degree divided by cos 2 degree plus sine 2 degree. So this is proved. So I think you have understood it. So this is the proof. You can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 6. To prove that, question number 6, you prove LHS is equal to RHS here also. So prove that tan 62 degree is equal to 2 tan 34 degree plus tan 28 degree. So here also we don't prove it from the left hand side, okay? So we can write down this 62 degree as 34 degree plus 28 degrees, isn't it? You know that 34 plus 28 is what? 62. So we can write here, therefore tan 62 degree is equal to tan within bracket, this is 34 degree plus 28 degree. That is 34 degree plus 28 degree is 62 degrees, isn't it? That is 34 plus 28 is 62 degree, right? So left hand side keep it as it is. So it is tan 62 degree is equal to, on the right hand side you can use the formula of tan of a plus b. So let us use the formula of tan of a plus b. What is tan a? Tan 34 plus what is tan b? Tan 28 degree divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a here is tan 34 degree and tan b here is tan 28 degree. So is that understood now? So now what will you do in the next step? So now in the next step we can do cross multiplication, okay? So in order to prove this result, LHS is equal to RHS, let us cross multiply it. Or this is your tan 62 degree minus this is tan 62 degree, tan 34 degree, tan 28 degree, which is equal to, now on the right hand side what do we write? Cross multiply by 1 here. So if you cross multiply by 1 here, you will get tan 34 degree plus tan 28 degree. So I think you have understood it. So now what will you do in the next step? We have to prove this result, but we are getting this expression also, okay? Now in this case there is 62 degree and 28 degree. If you add this 62 and 28 degree, this will be 90 degree. That means they are complementary angles, isn't it? So either you can change this 62 into 90 minus 28, or you may change this 28 into 90 minus 62. Okay? So let us change this 28 degree into 90 degree minus 62 degree. Okay? So or tan 62 degree minus tan 62 degree, this is tan 34 degree, tan of this 28 can be written as 90 degree minus 62 degree. Okay, so 90 minus 62 is 28, isn't it? Let us check it. 10 minus 2 is 8 and this is 8 minus 6 is 2, that is your 28 degree. So which is equal to, this is your tan 34 degree plus this is your tan 28 degree. Is that clear? So now this is tan 62 degree minus tan 62 degree, this is your tan 34 degree, and what's about this tan 90 minus theta? So you know what is tan 90 minus theta? It is cot theta, so it is cot 62 degree, which is equal to tan 34 degree plus tan 28 degree. Understood? So next, or Now this is tan 62 degree minus tan 62 degree kept as it is. Tan 34 degree is also kept as it is, but what is cot 62 degree in terms of tan? You can write it in terms of tan, that is 1 upon this is tan 62 degree, which is equal to this is tan 34 degree plus tan 28 degree. So I think you have understood it. So you can cancel the term here, tan 62 and tan 62 can be cancelled. So what do we get? Or this is tan 62 degree minus this is only tan 34 degree. So this is tan 34 degree is equal to this is tan 34 degree plus tan 28 degree. So I think you have understood it. Now let us take this minus tan 34 degree to the right hand side, which is on the left hand side. Okay. Now this minus tan 34 degree can be taken to the right hand side. Okay. So or now it is tan 62 degree, which is equal to, now this minus tan 34 degree is taken to the right hand side. So it is plus. So it is plus tan 34 degree plus, then again tan 34 degree plus, again there is tan 28 degree plus tan, this is 28 degree. So or this is tan 62 degree, which is equal to tan 34 degree plus tan 34 degree. It is 2 tan 34 degree plus this is your tan 28 degree. So it is proved, isn't it? We proved LHS is equal to RHS. That is tan 62 degree is equal to 2 tan 34 degree plus tan 28 degree. So we have done it, proved. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so you can copy it. So this much is for today. आज पनि हामीले जतिवटा problems गर्यौं, we did some problems and I gave you the homework also. So you revise all the problems that we did today and also you do the homework. So if you have any problem, you can ask me, you can call me, or you can write down the comments. Okay, so in the next online class we'll do more problems on this trigonometrical ratios of compound angles. So this much is for today.